So if you call Robinhood people the Robinhood Army, and now that their ticker symbol is Hood, do we call Robin Hoodies the Hoodlums? I'm just kidding. I think I'm so funny. What the heck happened to Robinhood? Well, first of all, insiders sold a ton of shares, something like 100 million shares just dumped into the market. Robinhood is not seeing a dime of the funds raised for that money. That is strictly insiders selling. They just went public. Wouldn't you think that insiders should have more confidence in Robinhood now that they went public? But that's basically what happened. Robinhood basically became its own meme stock, even though they are the purveyor of meme stocks. But once Robinhood was being talked about on Reddit and the Wall Street Bets community, that was it. Buying went on, the stock took off. And as you can see, meme stocks don't typically stay up for very long. Don't get me wrong, this stock could rocket up tomorrow, rocket up and down. And like the other meme stocks like GameStop and AMC and Clover and COS and Bed Bath & Beyond and even Wendy's, eventually the enthusiasm goes away. They peter out and we wind up with another down stock. So don't get too caught up in Robinhood. It's a payment for order flow play. There's a lot of that out there. And I think what Robinhood has done to differentiate itself from like a Schwab or an E-Trade, it's just that they've gotten really good at social engineering and keeping people on the app and getting them to trade more and more and more, which we all know is actually the worst thing that you could do for your financial well-being.